Classic Caillou.
That wasn't me. It was my normal clone. He pooted.
No, Classic Caillou, that wasn't your normal clone. It was you, and stop farting at the dinner table. Because it's rude, and it's not funny, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
I agree with your father, so stop laughing about it, because it's not funny, it's rude, and if you need to do that, do it in the bathroom.
Mommy and Daddy, I'm always being polite at the dinner table.
I know you are, sweetie.
We're so glad you're always being polite, our sweet princess.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sweetheart.
Classic Caillou, say excuse me when you burp at the dinner table. Classic Caillou, stop it right now, it's not funny, so say excuse me right now, and I mean it.
Excuse normal clone. Hey, Classic Caillou, stop it. Mommy didn't ask you to say excuse me, she asked you to say excuse yourself.
Yeah, Classic Caillou, I told you to say excuse me, not excuse normal clone.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Classic Caillou, will you please mind your manners?
Yeah, Classic Caillou, when you start burping at the dinner table, say excuse me, so, mind your manners. You know what, Classic Caillou, that's it, I can't take it anymore, go to your room right now.
Okay, you stupid. Ugly weird mommy and daddy. Did Classic Caillou just say a bad word?
Yes, Caillou, I think he did say a bad word.
Classic Caillou, how could you use that kind of language? You are 4 years old and you should never say any of these words at all because it's a bad word.
And that kind of language is inappropriate to use at your age. Now go to your room right now, and we mean it.
Wow.